In this quick tutorial, we'll dive into how to autofill text in a PDF form using Adobe Acrobat. By the end of this video, you'll have a smooth and efficient process for completing forms, saving you both time and effort. Whether you're frequently filling out similar forms or just looking to streamline your workflow, using the autofill feature can be a game changer. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once you have it up and running, head over to the menu, which you can find on the top left corner of your screen. Depending on your version, it might also be labeled as File. Click on this to open up a list of options. Now, from this menu, scroll down until you find Preferences. Go ahead and select this option. This is where you can customize how Adobe Acrobat behaves and tailor it to your needs. Once you're in the Preferences window, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Look for the category labeled Forms and click on it. This section controls how Acrobat handles form entries, including the autofill function we're focusing on today. Next, direct your attention to the autocomplete section. Here you have a choice between two different modes, Basic and Advanced. Selecting the right one depends on how you want autofill to work for you. Let's talk about the Basic option first. If you choose Basic, Adobe Acrobat will store the text you enter in form fields. Then when you start typing in a similar field later on, it will suggest matches based on what you've entered before. This can be incredibly handy if you find yourself repeatedly entering the same information, like your name or email address. Now, if you opt for the Advanced setting, you'll get a slightly different experience. With Advanced, when you double-click on a form field, Acrobat will offer a list of previous entries you've made. This is useful if you prefer having a visible list of options to choose from, rather than having suggestions pop up as you type. After you've decided which option suits your needs best, make sure to save your changes. You'll do this by clicking OK at the bottom of the Preferences window. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the autofill feature in Adobe Acrobat. Using the autofill function can really speed things up when you're dealing with forms regularly. It's one of those small adjustments that can make a significant impact on your productivity. If you ever find that you need to change these settings again, just follow these same steps to access the Preferences menu. I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up autofill for your PDF forms. Feel free to revisit these instructions if you need a refresher or if you're helping a friend get set up with autofill. Thanks for watching and happy form filling.